After just 2 seasons of mowing, the plastic wheels on this Honda mower are bald. Honda does make wheels with rubber treads, though they won't fit on this mower. One rear wheel for this mower costs $22.18, not including tax and shipping. I have a used 26-inch tire from a mountain bike. It's a 2.1 width. High quality tires are directional. You likely can get a used tire from your local bike shop for free. A new cheap tire is around $20. New good quality tires start around $35 a piece. Some tires have a wire bead. We'll cut that. I'll measure up the width and then cut off the side walls. Now I've got just one long piece of tread. Looks like it's going to fit on there nicely. One 26-inch tire will do 3 wheels. I'll clean the wheel and the back of the tread with some alcohol. I have some number 8 1/2-inch stainless steel screws. The stainless steel won't rust. They'll go deep enough into the plastic tread to hold the new rubber tread, and they won't penetrate this plastic hub. Looks like the wheels are hollow. Now that I have this end fastened, I can measure up a final cut for the seam. I've added some more screws. And then I'm going to remove the rubber tread. Then I'll glue the tread onto the wheel with some construction adhesive. Melvin is now 16 and still making cameo appearances on his terms. A dry fit helped me find the holes in the tread and the wheel, making the gluing part fast and easy. I put all the screws back in place, put the wheels on the ground, and rolled it back and forth to spread the adhesive around. I allowed the adhesive to cure for 24 hours and then gave it a try. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos, and thanks for watching.